In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send broadcast segment with Mautic. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a one-time email and send it to a targeted segment of your contacts with confidence. Start by opening your Mautic account and signing in with your usual credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Channels section. From there, choose Emails. This is where all your broadcast and campaign emails live, and it's the starting point for creating a new message. Click New to begin. When Mautic asks what type of email you want, select Segment Email. This is important. Segment emails are designed for one-time broadcasts to specific lists or audiences. If you're looking to send a campaign-triggered email, you'd use a different option, but for a broadcast, segment email is the right choice. Next, you can pick a template or start from scratch. Templates are great if you want a head start on layout and branding, while a blank canvas gives you full control. In the builder, customize your content using drag-and-drop elements like text blocks, images, and buttons. Keep your message focused with clear headings, concise paragraphs, and a prominent call to action button. Make sure images have alt text and that your links are accurate. Small details like spacing, colors, and mobile-friendly formatting make a big difference in readability. When your design looks good, save it. After saving, move on to the email settings. Enter your subject line, the one your recipients will see in their inbox. Aim for something clear, benefit-driven, and free of spammy words. Then fill in the internal subject or internal name. This label is only for your team and helps you recognize the email later in reports and lists. So choose something descriptive. Now choose who should receive this broadcast. Click Contact Segment and select the segment that matches your target audience. Your segments are built from filters you defined earlier, so double-check you've selected the correct one to avoid sending to the wrong group. With your segment selected, click Save and Close to lock in your settings. Review everything one more time: the subject line, content, and chosen segment. When you're satisfied, click Send. Mautic will ask you to confirm, so click Send again to finalize. This queues the email and delivers it to contacts in the selected segment who are eligible to receive messages. That's it. You've created a segment email, tailored the content, targeted the right audience, and sent your broadcast in Mautic.